Do you love tea? If so, you'll be happy to know that bay leaf tea is a delicious and healthy beverage choice. Bay leaves are packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that offer a variety of health benefits. This video will discuss 10 of the top health benefits of drinking bay leaf tea. 1. Bay leaf tea boosts the immune system. Bay leaf tea is a great way to boost your immune system. The antioxidants in bay leaves help to fight off infection and disease. Drinking bay leaf tea can also help reduce inflammation throughout the body, reducing symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Bay leaves are also a good source of vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps keep the skin healthy and fights off the infection, while vitamin A is vital for vision. Vitamin K helps to promote bone health and tissue healing. Drink bay leaf tea regularly to enjoy these and many other health benefits. The tea has been proven effective in treating colds, flu, and other respiratory infections. 2. Bay leaf tea promotes digestion. Bay leaf tea can help to promote digestion and relieve stomach pain. The leaves contain compounds that increase digestive juices and enzymes. It enables the body to break down food more efficiently and reduces the occurrence of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Drinking bay leaf tea is also thought to stimulate appetite. If you are struggling with a loss of appetite, try drinking a cup of this tea before meals. 3. Bay leaf tea reduces stress and anxiety. We all know that feeling of stress and anxiety. It can be caused by work, family, or personal issues. Whatever the cause, it's crucial to find ways to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Drinking bay leaf tea is a great way to do this. The compounds in bay leaves have been shown to act as natural sedatives. It implies that they can help calm the nerves and reduce feelings of anxiety. If you are struggling with stress or anxiety, try drinking a cup of bay leaf tea each day. 4. Bay leaf tea reduces cholesterol levels. Bay leaf tea can help to reduce cholesterol levels. This is due to compounds like linalool and geraniol in bay leaves. These compounds have been shown to lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, the good cholesterol. It helps improve overall heart health and reduces the risk of heart disease. If you are looking for a natural way to lower your cholesterol, try drinking bay leaf tea. 5. Bay leaf tea regulates blood sugar levels. Bay leaf tea can also help to regulate blood sugar levels. It is due to compounds like eugenol and cinnamic acid in bay leaves. These compounds help increase insulin sensitivity and reduce the amount of glucose absorbed into the bloodstream. If you are struggling with blood sugar control, try drinking bay leaf tea. This property helps to keep blood sugar levels stable and prevents spikes after meals. 6. Bay leaf tea relieves respiratory problems. Bay leaf tea is also thought to be effective in relieving respiratory problems. This is possible due to compounds like eucalyptol and menthol in bay leaves. These compounds help clear congestion and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. If you are struggling with a cold or other respiratory infection, try drinking a cup of bay leaf tea. 7. Bay leaf tea keeps skin healthy and youthful looking. Drinking bay leaf tea can help keep your skin looking healthy and youthful. The antioxidants present in bay leaves help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for many skin problems, including premature aging, wrinkles, and dark spots. Bay leaf tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce the redness and swelling associated with acne. When topically rubbed on the skin, bay leaves are known to have healing properties, and the same is true when these leaves are brewed into a tea. The antioxidants can help to soothe the appearance of wrinkles, age spots, and blemishes, and even add elasticity to the skin. 8. Bay leaf tea strengthens bones and teeth. The bones and teeth are constantly bombarded by free radicals, leading to damage and deterioration. The antioxidants present in bay leaf tea help protect the bones and teeth from this damage. Additionally, bay leaf tea contains calcium and phosphorus, essential minerals for strong bones and teeth. 9. Bay leaf tea protects against harmful toxins. We are constantly exposed to harmful toxins, both in our environment and in food. These toxins can damage our cells and lead to various health problems. Luckily, the antioxidants in bay leaf tea help protect our cells from these harmful toxins. Compounds like eugenol and quercetin present in bay leaf tea also help to detoxify the body and protect against various diseases. 10. Bay leaf tea improves heart health. Bay leaf tea is rich in antioxidants like eugenol and quercetin, which improve heart health. These compounds help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent plaque formation in the arteries. Additionally, bay leaf tea helps to lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Together, these factors make bay leaf tea an excellent choice for those looking to improve their heart health. 11. Bay leaf tea prevents the development of cancerous cells. Eugenol and quercetin, two antioxidants present in bay leaf tea, prevent the growth of cancerous cells. Additionally, these compounds help to destroy existing cancer cells. These compounds make bay leaf tea an excellent beverage choice for those looking to reduce their risk of developing cancer. 12. A bay leaf tea speeds up metabolism. Are you looking to boost your metabolism? If so, bay leaf tea may be the answer. The antioxidants present in bay leaf tea help increase the body's metabolic rate. Additionally, compounds like eugenol and quercetin help break down fat cells and speed up the body's natural fat burning process. So, if you're looking for a delicious and healthy way to boost your metabolism, be sure to give bay leaf tea a try. 13. Bay leaf tea promotes hair growth and resolves hair problems. Start drinking bay leaf tea today if you suffer from hair loss or other hair problems. Bay leaf tea contains several essential nutrients for hair health, including biotin, vitamin B, and folic acid. These nutrients help to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. In addition, bay leaf tea can also help resolve other hair problems such as dandruff and split ends. This healing property is possible due to compounds in bay leaves known as eugenol and linalool. Compounds like beta-carotene and linalool in bay leaves also help to keep your scalp healthy. As you can see, there are many health benefits of bay leaf tea. This delicious and healthy tea can help to improve your skin, bones, teeth, heart health, hair, and more. So, what are you waiting for? Start drinking bay leaf tea today. You'll be glad you did. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 14 amazing bay leaf uses and benefits including weight loss, diabetes, hair and skin. Thanks for watching and bye for now.